What if the Earth's magnetic field disappeared? Imagine a world where the invisible force that protects us from harmful solar radiation suddenly vanished. The consequences would be catastrophic. Our magnetic field is created by the movement of iron and nickel in the Earth's core. It acts like a giant shield, deflecting charged particles from the sun, known as solar wind, away from our planet. Without this shield, these particles would bombard the Earth's atmosphere directly. One immediate effect would be the loss of our ozone layer. The ozone layer is essential for life on Earth as it absorbs most of the sun's harmful ultraviolet UV rays. Without the magnetic field, the ozone layer would be unable to withstand the constant assault of solar wind, leading to increased UV radiation reaching the surface. These higher levels of UV radiation would have severe consequences for all living organisms. Humans and animals would be at a heightened risk of skin cancer, cataracts, and weakened immune systems. Plant life would also suffer, with crops and forests experiencing reduced growth and productivity. But it doesn't end there. With solar wind directly hitting our atmosphere, it would erode the upper layers and cause them to escape into space. Over time, this would lead to the loss of our precious atmosphere. The air we breathe, composed of nitrogen, oxygen, and other gases, would gradually dissipate into the vast emptiness of space. Without enough atmosphere, the Earth's temperature would plummet. The greenhouse effect, which helps maintain a habitable climate, would be disrupted, resulting in a global cooling effect. This would lead to a new ice age, causing widespread freezing temperatures and making survival extremely challenging. Furthermore, the absence of a magnetic field would also have dire consequences for our technology. Our modern way of life is heavily reliant on electronic devices. Without protection from the magnetic field, satellites in space would be bombarded by high-energy particles, rendering them useless. Power grids on Earth would be vulnerable to massive surges, causing widespread blackouts and potentially damaging electrical infrastructure. In addition, navigation systems that depend on the magnetic field, such as compasses and GPS, would become unreliable or completely unusable. The ability to navigate accurately on land and at sea would be severely hampered, making transportation and exploration incredibly challenging. In conclusion, a world without the Earth's magnetic field would be a bleak and dangerous place. The loss of our protective shield would lead to increased UV radiation, the destruction of our ozone layer, a plummet in temperatures, and the erosion of our atmosphere. Life as we know it would be under constant threat, and our reliance on technology would be severely compromised. It is clear that the Earth's magnetic field is crucial for our survival and the delicate balance of our planet.